Welcome back. In this video, we're going to design the layout of our project. I'll copy these two images from my desktop to the drawable folder inside my project and make sure that the names starts with letters and small letters and all the letters are small letters. No capital letters in the names of the images. This is back 1 and back 2. These are the backgrounds that I'll use in my project. Go to activity_main.xml file, and here I need to design this layout. I'll change this text from hello world to welcome to lottery generator app. Drag and drop this text view to the top and remove this constraint. Then I'll add text size as 32 sp, and this is good. Make sure that the gravity is center in order to center this text. Then I'll apply the background attribute and I'll use back1 for this activity. Also, I need to drag this text above, and this is good. And here I'll create an edit text to get the user name. Match parent for the width and wrap content for the height. ID would be edit text name, hint, enter your name. And I need to drag and drop this edit text down to here. Okay, in further constraints, and this is good. This is our edit text. Also, I can add some margin. So margin left 20 dp and margin right 20 dp, and this is good. I'll create another view which is a button. And this is good. Again, drag and drop this button to here, and you can add the constraints under the edit text and to the left and to the right. Here we go. This is our layout. Also, you can decrease the size of this text from 32 to 28. Become good. And you can remove the app keyword and drag and drop it to center in the middle. Okay, this is a very good and nice layout that we designed here for our main activity.